Hi, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tish. So I got my Ipsy Plus. So we're going to unbox it and see what I got. All right, so that is what's inside. And let's see, the card has information about SPF, but nothing about the products inside. All right, so Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. Yeah, $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. All right, so the bag we received is like the glam bag, except for this one is mint green, and it has the little tassel, and the inside is yellow, and it has the little Ipsy tag on the inside. So we got that. Oh, I only saw 4 products. I was about to freak out. Okay, so the first thing we have is from Araceli, and it is the Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Coffee. That is what that looks like. And it is felt tip. And that is what it looks like. And there's no bleeding, so that's going to be a plus. All right, so the second thing we got is from House Laboratories, and that is Lady Gaga's brand. We got a Riot lip gloss in Ethereal. So this will be the first thing I've received from House Laboratories, and that is the component. Ooh. And it's got a curved doe foot. Let's see. So that's it right there. It's a nice pink. All right. And the next thing we got is Ciate London Triple Shot Double XL Mascara in black. And this is the component. Ooh, that is a long brush. Is there fibers on that? I'm all looking at it like I can see it. I left my glasses in my bedroom again, so we're not going to be able to see it. Let's see. Yes, extra length flower shaped fibers. And it's vegan. All right, the next thing we got is from Juice Beauty. We got Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. And I am excited about that because we could stand to put it right up here all over those little new friends. Oh, that's a nice size. This is the component. And that is what it looks like. that is a lot of serum. Just pull some right down the arm here. Make our arm look younger. It's got a watery type consistency when it's spread out. I'm imagining you'll only need one pump for your whole face. Doesn't seem like it's sticky or leaving a sticky residue behind, so that'll be nice. All right, and I am going to get a makeup wipe and clean this up because it looks like our next product is a palette. Eyeliner came off fairly easy. Oh, I could have just swatched it on the other arm. It's been a long day. All right, so our last product is Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. It looks like those are the colors. Yeah. This is, we have a mirror, a small mirror, but it's a mirror. And a little plastic sheet. And those are our colors. Looks like we have 4 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight. All right. So we'll just swatch the eyeshadows here real quick. Our first 3 colors are matte, and our last color is a shimmer. So we have Turtle Pond, Sheep Meadow, Belvedere Castle, and Cherry Hill. Okay. Seems like it might be a little patchy. That shimmer shade is really nice. All right, we'll clean off the fingers here and then we'll swatch the blush and the highlight. I like the color of the blush. Looks like it's just my shade. All right, now a little towel here. I'm not getting the product wet. All right, and again, this is the blush and the highlight. All right, we're gonna swatch that on the back of the hand. That is the blush. And that is the highlight. It's actually pretty nice. And I love palettes, or getting palettes, so that's a plus. All right. So that was my Ipsy Plus for June 2020. So we got the palette, the Juice Beauty, the House Lab, it's a lip gloss. That took way too much effort to figure out. Oh, wow. And then, of course, the Ciate London mascara and the Araceli, I can talk, eyeliner. So that's what we got for June. And of course, the green bag. I'm happy with it. It's mostly makeup, which is what I wanted when I got subscription boxes. I wanted the makeup. I didn't care about the skincare so much. I don't mind getting skincare, but if they send too much of it, I mean, I only got the one face, so I mean, you can only use so much serums or face wash or moisturizers on one face. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the box. What did I do with that card? I probably, yep. Does this even have a thing on it that tells you what version you got? It does not. Oh well. All right, well, it's kind of pointless to have a card. It's kind of wasteful if you're not going to put the information on it as to what the value of the products are. So for me, that's probably what could make the box better. This is my first Ipsy Plus box. And I like this month. So if you're interested in checking out Ipsy, I will leave the link for them in the description. I do get points if you use my link. If you're not comfortable using my link, go ahead and just Google Ipsy and do it that way. All right, so it's time. Like, comment, subscribe, become part of my family, all that good stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.